Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview on August 18th, 2014 on a Monday, the beginning of our trading week. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Beautiful blue skies and white sandy beaches. What a day today. Alright traders, if you would let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday and I am your moderator through the open market preview. And well, let's just say I've been trading since 2006. I stopped working full-time in 2008, retired from a beautiful career in the fire and rescue department after 27 years, and decided to take a 3-month vacation to Thailand. Traders, it's 2014. I'm still here and I'm trading every day in the Forex markets. I love what I do and I adore being with you every single trading day. So I just love it. I love being in front of my charts. I love looking at fundamentals, and most of all, I love being profitable on a consistent basis. Alright traders, this is the legal stuff. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, most important is that you do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Remember traders, that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Alright, let's talk about some news. There is no news. There is no news data today, traders. It's a totally technical trading day on a Monday. Yes, there's no news coming out today. Trust me, I hunted and looked for something to put on this slide to talk about. There's nothing to talk about. So let's head over. Here we go. These are the 60-minute charts. We've got 6 charts to look at. And traders, you're not going to be impressed with this. This looks like a mess to me. Let's start off with the euro dollar. Here's the euro dollar. It is above the 200 exponential moving average on this 200. Above the 200 exponential moving average at 1.3381. However, it's in a range, and I don't want to buy the euro. To be honest with you, I have no intentions on buying the euro. There's just no reason to. So I'm waiting for this to close below the 200 exponential moving average. You can see it about 1.3370, that area, 72, 73. I'll be more than happy to take this to the short side with taking profit at 1.3346, and that stop is not really where it needs to be. If we get it closed below the 200 exponential moving average, we can just take the stop right above that. So that's my plan on the euro dollar. Really do not want to buy this. Look at the last, just look at the last 10 hours, right? This is an hourly chart. Look at these wicks, indecision, everything right here on this. No, I'm not interested. So we're going to wait, and we're going to stay with the daily chart. It's bearish. We're going to stay that way. All right, over to the pound dollar 60-minute chart. Look at this. Opened with a gap today. I haven't seen a gap in a couple of weeks. This is really nice. So the only thing to do is not a lot of decision here. We're going to sell this, right? Gaps get filled like 90% of the time. So I'm looking to sell the pound dollar at least to the point where we're going to close that gap. So we're in the sweet spot right now. We are absolutely at the sweet spot at this 38.2 Fibonacci level, and we're looking to sell this, so we want to sell it. Okay, traders? All right, let's go over to the Aussie dollar. What an ugly looking chart this is. I don't know what the Aussie's doing. I have to be honest with you, traders. I'm just totally confused. We're just going to have to sit back and wait. I would suggest to you do not
changes to the ruble pot.
Sorry about that, traders. That was my news feed. Yeah, so with this Aussie dollar, I would do absolutely nothing. There's just nothing to do with this. I don't know what direction it's in. I know it's above the 200 exponential moving average, but, it's come down to it. It's bounced off of it. It's all over the place. My friends, I'm staying out of it. It's not even on my watch list today on a Monday. It's, if it had some direction and some sort of, I don't know, clue like what it was doing, I would go with it. But this chart's so ugly, and there's no data coming out. You know, so like there's no reason for it to be this ugly, but it is. All right, let's go to my good friend, the Euro Aussie. I am still bearish on this pair. I want to take this at 1.4370, 73, somewhere like there, 75. We're in a great spot, but there's no way on a Monday I'm going to trade anything before the London Open. But yeah, this looks nice to take down on the downside. We want to take this down on 1.4325. This would be a great trade. I hope it works out. This might be the only trade of the day, to be honest with you. The Euro Aussie looks really, really nice. Okay, here we go. Here is the Euro Yen. Euro Yen, you know, has been bearish for such a long time, and now it's above this 200 exponential moving average for like 3 days, and not quite sure what the Euro Yen is doing. So you can see where the 200 exponential moving average is at 1.3694. Again, this is another chart that, and there's a lot of them, I'm just not comfortable in trading today. I just don't. I waited till the last minute to do this recording.
Russia known that they will not intervene inside the corridor.
I'm just not willing to play with this, and you know, this is another pair that's going to be on the side because it's like no direction. Some of this is data releases, some of this isn't, and I'm just not willing to place trades on a Monday with a currency pair that's not giving us direction. This has been bearish for a long, long time, and now all of a sudden we're hanging out above the 200 exponential moving average on the 60-minute chart. I don't think I'm going to play with this one. This one's off the list also. Yeah, and yeah, I'm going to show you another one. This one's off the list too. Let's talk about the New Zealand dollar. Look at this, above the 200 exponential moving average. Now, remember, we were bullish in this pair for a long, long time. So I don't mind this. I don't mind this being above the 200 exponential moving average. This is where it should be. However, look at where we're at price-wise. We're at resistance. I am not trading this at resistance. I don't want to buy into resistance. So I want this to pull back to the 200 exponential moving average, and then we can take this long traders. But, you know, again, look at this chart. If you look at this with spatial intelligence, you would say, wow, this is pretty ugly. Yeah, there's no direction here. It's all over the place. It's in a range. It's not doing anything. So I'm not. It is on my watch list. I will watch this because I love trading the New Zealand dollar. I think it's a great pair to trade, especially if you're a new trader. You know, everybody says, if you're a new trader, trade the euro dollar. No, trade the New Zealand dollar. It's a better pair to trade if you're new. It doesn't jerk around. It's not all over the place, except for today. But yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this to the upside, but I'm not going to take this and trade it into resistance. Traders, it's a Monday, and I'd like to thank you for joining me for the market opening preview on August 18th, 2014. Thank you, and remember, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, hope you have a profitable trading day, and remember, we will have this again tomorrow before the London Open. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Take care and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.